runs right through the centers of London. The
submarine,
submarine, submarine dove to depth 1,600 feet. It's important to be. It's important to stay active and healthy. This is the third time. This is the third time I've visited here.
submarine,
Submarine dove. Nice. These dive dove 61,600 feet. It's important to see a different healthy this whole time. It's the key. Wow. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I thought, wow, I wouldn't have thought so much. A teacher who did it, a food tried to tutor two tutors to tut said the tutor. Is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot? Oh my god, terrible. A tutor who did a fruit tried to tutor two tutors to toot said the tutor. Is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot?
tutor,
Tutor.
Hello. Hi, good evening.
Hi, hello
Hi, good
teacher.
evening. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I think I was I was having a problem entering the room. So, anyways, how are you doing?
It's Monday, but I'm good. I'm okay.
Okay, yes,
How are
because
you?
usually Monday is a busy day because this is the first day of work for
Yup,
the week.
yup.
Okay. Well, I am feeling great, I just went to meet someone and taking some photos, something like that. So, just having fun in the morning. So, anyways, last meeting we have done some pronunciation activity, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so of course now this time we will going to learn something.
Okay.
So of course, this one is just a simple topic. So I believe that it's easy for you to understand. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay,
I don't think so. Sorry, excuse me, teacher.
uh,
Could you please, send me the
link.
materials?
Ah,
Yes,
yes, yes,
the
yes,
link
yes.
before we we learn every day because I want to prepare before the class.
Ah, okay, okay, yes, 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 sure thing. So I will going to send you the topic
Mm-hmm.
first so that you can review the topic. Yes,
Yeah.
that's a really nice idea. Okay, so of course tonight I will send you our topic by next meeting. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so of course for tonight we will going to have some IELTS listening practice. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, the answer is there. So of course now, firstly, this is the listening. So, expected that you are going to practice your listening, and this will, after that, we will going to talk about this one. But for now, let's proceed in the listening first. This will be our topic later, after this one. So, now, in this part, Miss Yen, I will let you listen to some audio, okay?
Okay.
And you need to copy the audio. Okay, I will going to send the audio. You need to listen very carefully because you just need to listen to the audio once.
Okay.
But I will give you chance. You can listen to it twice. Okay?
Twice.
Okay.
But
So,
I'm a bit worried because my vocabulary not good.
it's okay. So let's see if you can. Don't worry, this is listening activity. So you just need to listen very carefully and then fill in the gaps, okay?
I
So
need a
the,
pen.
yes, yes, you can get a pen. The audio. So this will be the audio. I will send it again. So please try to click the audio. Tell me if you're listening, okay?
I'm Anna Mateo with expressions using the word
I'm listening.
Okay.
Wow.
sun. The first expression is about everything, everything under the sun. If you own a store that sold many different items, your advertisements could say, "You sell everything under the sun." This would not be exactly true, of course, but what would advertising be without some creative descriptions? Here is another example. Let's say you are talking with a friend you have not seen for a long time. The two of you could have a lot of catching up to do, so you talk about everything under the sun. Under the sun is an old expression, at least 3,000 years old. It means everywhere the sun shines. King Solomon of Israel used it in the Bible. He wrote that nothing under the sun is new. What has been will be again, he said, and what has been done will be done again. If there is nothing new under the sun, there is nothing new anywhere. New or old, few things can be hidden in the bright light of the sun.
Hidden. I missed the number 2.
Okay.
Can I repeat again? Can I listen again?
Did you listen everything?
I missed the number 2.
Okay, you can listen one more time, one last time.
They should put the number.
I'm Anna Mateo with expressions using the word sun. The first expression is about everything, everything under the sun. If you own a store that sold many different items, your advertisements could say, "You sell everything under the sun." This would not be exactly true, of course, but what would advertising be without some creative descriptions? Here is another example. Let's say you are talking with a friend you have not seen for a long time. The two of you could have a lot of catching up to do, so you talk about everything under the sun. Under the sun is an old expression, at least 3,000 years old. It means everywhere the sun shines. King Solomon of Israel used it in the Bible. He wrote that nothing under the sun is new. What has been will be again, he said, and what has been done will be done again. If there is nothing new under the sun, there is nothing new anywhere. New or old, few things can be hidden in the bright light of the sun.
Okay, I'm done, but I'm not sure that it's correct.
It's okay, it's okay. So now, since you mentioned that you're done, let's write your answer then.
The number 1, if you only
You
you are only a store.
only this one?
If you're only a store.
Can you type it?
No. It's wrong grammar.
It's okay. Can you type it, please? Maybe I'm just confused.
I'm confused too. I just listened. If you only a store, that's so many tricks. If you are only a store, if you let's see, I don't know. I just if you're only if you this should be a verb.
It's okay.
But I only listen the only. Oh,
So,
I can't guess the word.
you can guess. It's okay. So you want to skip this?
Okay.
So what about your number 2?
Different item.
Item only?
Mm-hmm.
Item or items?
Items.
Okay. Next.
This would be not exactly true.
Exactly. True. Next.
Here is another example.
Another? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
A lot of catching up.
Catching up. This one?
Yes.
Next.
Everywhere the sun. I guess shines.
Shines. This one?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
I missed it. He will see. He will not. He
Okay. It's okay. He
Will, will,
will. This one.
will and something. I don't know.
Okay.
Be done again.
Again. And the last one.
Can be hit.
Hit.
H-E-I-T.
Okay. This one.
Yes, I think.
Now. It's
Oh,
okay.
oh
Are
my
you ready?
god.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. So let's check your answer. Oh, okay. Wow. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's so
Oh, no,
strange.
no, no, no. Yes, this one is correct. 6 correct answers. Wow. But you have 3 wrong. So
Yeah.
in number 1, remember, your wrong is this, and this part, and the last one. Let's see the answer. Oh, the answer on this one is if you own a store.
Oh, oh my.
Yes. And
Oh.
he wrote.
Okay.
He wrote and hidden.
No.
Do you know what is hidden? Past tense of hide.
Height.
If it's already
Wow.
if you already hide it, then it is
Hidden.
hidden.
Okay. Oh, but I just listened. Hating. Hating. The things can be hidden. I thought it was a linking sound with in the bright.
Ah.
No way.
So hidden is past participle of hide.
Yes.
Okay. So not bad because you only have 3 mistakes. You still pass. Good job, Miss Yan. Okay,
Oh,
slowly
shame on
but
me.
surely.
He wrote.
Okay. Now, let's proceed in another part of our activity, talking about sports and exercise. Do you like what is your favorite sports, Miss Yan?
Oh, badminton. Do you know badminton?
Badminton. Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. I like badminton also. And how about swimming? I heard Vietnamese love swimming.
I like swimming, but I don't know how to swim.
Really?
Yes. So
Me
shame.
too.
Oh, really?
um, um, I think I know how to swim, but
But
I'm afraid in deep water, in deep
ah
pool.
ah.
Yes, I can swim if the water is just like here. But if the pool is, so deep, then it's really hard. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. So of course, it's my first time to hear a Vietnamese who doesn't know how to swim.
Oh, really? So shame on
Yes,
me.
it's okay. It's okay because you know, Vietnam is known for its beautiful beaches,
Yes,
and
but I am living near a mountain.
Mhm. Oh yes, exactly. But believe that I also know someone who lived countryside, but they know how to swim. I don't know. Maybe it depends. They love swimming,
Yes.
or they are used to it.
I have
I
to learn.
Me too. I Miss Yen, I attended swimming lesson, but until now I am still afraid of swimming in the deep. I don't know why. Maybe it's just we are just afraid.
Mhm.
Yes. Because we can learn how to swim, but we are just afraid of trying. Yes, I'm afraid of trying too. So anyways, do you exercise every morning or what?
I'm so lazy. I just
So instead of exercising, you just want to sleep.
yes, always sleep in.
Oh, really? So, me too. I'm lazy. So, I used to do some squatting.
Oh yes, me too. Me too.
Yes, I set an alarm on my phone, and then after that I forgot to do it. I don't know why. I just, but whenever I remembered it, I did the squatting. So for my, because my booty is not really that, you know, beautiful. So I need to form it. So I
Oh,
did the squat. But, sometimes I forget to do squatting. But I have a goal of having a beautiful body, but it's impossible because I forget exercising sometimes. I don't know why. Maybe I'm busy. Just maybe. Okay, now
just
maybe
avoiding.
maybe let's make a deal. Let's do the squat
Okay.
every day. So we can ask each other, did you squat a while ago?
Yes.
Yes.
High five, high five.
Okay. So let's make that a deal so that we
Okay.
can do it and not be lazy. Yes, because sometimes I usually don't know, but because I don't have any deal with other people, so I just say, oh, I can do it tomorrow. So now
Always tomorrow, tomorrow.
and another tomorrow and tomorrow again,
Yes.
next
And
day
then,
again.
and then never.
Never. Yes, and I will going to that. Oh, next month I can start next month. Exactly. So of course, so maybe we can start that deal tomorrow. And we need to be honest,
Just
okay?
don't lie.
Don't lie. So no lying policy. Okay, so I'm so excited. So of course, in the learning objectives. In this lesson, you will going to practice answering questions based on part 2 of the IELTS speaking test. You are going to learn and practice some different ways to talk about sports and exercises, which made us so lazy at the same time. And practice pronouncing the wa as in
Wow.
wine and v as in vine. So
Wine.
now, yes, wine and vine. So I think this one is easy for you because the only pronunciation that you it's hard for you is the t and I think so.
No, I
So
don't think
now,
so.
now let's proceed and exercise one, which is the warm-up pronunciation practice. So now, just repeat after me. We have here wine, vine. Yes. Can you read it aloud?
One, one, one,
Wine. Wine.
wine.
And vine.
Vine,
Okay. Next we
wine.
have west, vest.
West,
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 vest.
west.
Okay, next. Whale, veil.
Well,
Whale.
well, well.
A, can you say A?
A, well,
Whale.
well.
Oh, that one's better. And veil.
Veil,
Okay,
veil.
next. Viper, viper.
Viper, viper.
Okay, and we have wet, vet.
Wet, vet.
Okay, so now, if you're confused of the meaning of this one, so this is wine, this is a vine, and this is a compass, and the compass is facing the west, something like that. And next is vest. This is a vest.
Vest.
Yes, this is a whale,
Oh,
and this one
I think
is
the vest should be
yes.
zile. Should be.
Vest is somehow we tend to wear it whenever for fashion somehow. For me, I wear it for fashion. And next is veil. This one, the cover of the bride's head. Next is wiper. This is a wiper of the car.
I don't know this one.
That is
Wiper.
wiper. When it's raining, so the car got a wiper.
Ah, okay. Wiper.
Yes, so that it will the of course the glass will be clear because if it rain, it will be so blurry. This is a viper, the snake one.
Mm,
Ew.
snake.
Don't like it.
I don't
Wet,
like
of course, this is wet.
wet.
And vet, the person is vet. Vet are those person who treated animals.
Sorry,
Veteran, yeah. Vet
vet.
are those, yes, vet,
That is a person who
vet,
vet. I need to check dictionary.
yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, vet are those who tend to treat the animals.
Mm,
You get it?
wow. Okay.
Okay. Now, you understand everything? Let's proceed in some short quiz. So I am going to mention 5 words. If you hear me pronouncing the V, it's group. If you hear me pronouncing the W, it's group A. If you hear me pronouncing the V, it's group B. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start. First word is worst. Worst.
Group A. Oh, so sorry. Sorry.
Yes, that's correct. Group A. Next. Okay. Next is um vase.
Base. Okay. Group
Yeah,
B.
exactly. Next is win.
Win. Group A.
Uh-huh. And the next one is uh um okay. Let's try to find some difficult one. Okay.
Oh,
Um
sometimes our brain doesn't
it's
work.
not it's not really difficult. Maybe just okay, let's just look for some simple words then. Vaccine.
Vaccine. V. Group B.
Ah, exactly. And the last one is mm, went.
Group A.
Exactly. So easy, no sweat. How about you? Mention 5 words and I'm going to group them.
Ah, women.
Can you say it again? Women, group A.
I think were and were. It's
Can you say it again?
quite too different. So vowel.
Vowel. It's group A and B.
Oh, okay. I couldn't pay attention.
Next.
Voice.
Voice B.
Uh, wow.
Next. Last 2 words. It's
Oh
hard
wow.
to think, right? I feel you. It's hard to think, but it's easy to guess.
Wire.
Where? Oh, it's group
Yeah.
A.
Wire.
Last one.
Uh, uh, it's van. Van. Do you know van?
Can you say it again?
Van.
Van. Van.
Van.
Van is group B. Okay, very good. Wow, no sweat for us. Congratulations. Now let's move on to tongue twister.
Tongue.
Let's read the first bullet first, okay? The first bullet we have here is fine white wines from wild vintage vines. Read it slowly first, and later we will read it faster. First
Fi-
bullet first.
fine white one ones are from white vintage vines.
Okay, let's read it again slowly. Fine white wines from wild vintage vines.
Wow.
Hmm.
Fine white wines are from white vintage vines.
Okay, let's read it slowly again without saying extra words. Okay, without saying extra words. Fine white wines from wild vintage vines.
Wow. fine, white, linking sound.
Without extra words.
Uh, white wines from white vintage vines.
Okay. Let's try to read it one more time, faster. Fine white wines from wild vintage vine.
Wow.
Let's try.
Fine wine was
It's okay.
fine white was from white vintage vines.
Okay, not bad. Okay, the last
It's
one.
terrible.
Wendy's verse is worse than William's verse. Her verse is the worst verse. Slowly first.
Wendy's verse is worse than William's verse. Her verse is the worst verse.
Okay, let's try to read it one more time. Wendy's verse is worse than William's verse. Her verse is the worst verse.
Wendy's verse is worse than William's verse. Her verse is the worst verse.
Okay, let's try to read it faster. Wendy's verse is the worst than William's verse. Her verse is the worst verse.
Oh my god. Wendy's verse is worse than William's verse. Her verse is the worst verse.
Okay. Not bad, Miss Yan. So,
No.
of course, Miss Yan, already sent you the link, right? So, since we will going to continue the exercise 2 and so on next tomorrow, so you need to review, okay?
Okay.
So, you can save the link there and for you to review and we can do the spontaneous class. Do you have any questions?
No. Ah, just just
Uh,
a bit curious. How many students are you teaching now?
well, I have student from 8:30 to 9. So and then tonight I will going to start my class at 8:30 to 11:30.
Wow, 11.
Yes.
Because
But I have
we are the different time zone, right?
yes. So 11
It's too
so
late.
here yes, but in Vietnam but I'm using the Philippine time. So in
Ah,
Vietnam it's 7:30 to 10:30.
ah, the
Yes.
student after me.
Yes, I have stood after you. But before you, I have 30 minutes break.
Okay.
Okay, so and tomorrow I think I have another class. So I'm not I also have 8:30 I will start at 8:30. But my 8:30 class will end this week.
Ah,
So my class will start 9 p.m. again. So anyway, so I think that we go for tonight, and thank you, Miss Yen, for your time and effort. Maybe if you can learn English faster, you can teach Vietnamese too soon. You can apply to some online. Yes, because your accent is good. I can say that your accent is good, so you can do that. Okay,
okay.
so let's help each other. So now I think that we go for tonight. Thank you so much for your time and for your effort. I will see you then tomorrow. Goodbye. Have a good night.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.